Hi. So basically, me and Nastya, we've been looking for a new apartment because the one where we are staying is rather small, and we need two separate rooms so that we can work together at the same time from home. I found a rather interesting apartment in Gdynia, and Gdynia is basically a town in the Tricity, and I'll be checking this apartment today.
Stacja Gdańsk Stocznia.
Like, just to give you some context, I came here like 30 minutes earlier and met her, and basically we decided, okay, we have like 30 minutes, let's spend some time in a Georgian restaurant where we ordered 2 glasses of semi-dry wine and a big khachapuri. Basically we're a tiny bit tipsy right now, and we're going to check this apartment. I'm not sure if the realtor will allow us to film there, and she'll probably be not so happy because we are a bit late. We're like 10 minutes late. Yeah, but we are cute, right? We are cute. Gdynia, główna. We are still late. I have no idea where we are, and we have to go all the way on that bridge. And Anastasia is a bit tipsy, and I'm tipsy as well. And it's quite slippery here.
I want to hold your hand.
She wants to hold my hand. Did you hear? Did you hear it? I want to hold your hand. I want to hold you.
Cause you want the most.
And it looks a bit like a Soviet neighborhood.
Yes.
We're gonna go through the passage, and we'll be there in that Soviet neighborhood in Gdynia. Oh, that's really Soviet. It's a Soviet tunnel.
Like everything, like Max Specs.
So this is basically a kitchen, and okay. This is the toilets and the shower. Okay. This is a sleeping room. There is like a little balcony over there. Balcony. You can access it from there, from the other room as well. Okay. The living room. The living room looks like this, and you can access the balcony also from here. Okay. Anastasia, what do you think about this place?
There is no match.
No, not a match. It's like too Soviet. Also, what? Just something feels off, right? The price is not so high. It's not high.
But still, for these prices, we
could look for something else. Yeah, let's go there. Let's just cross the street right here. No cars around. No cars around.
Too many Soviet buildings.
Yeah, too many Soviet buildings, and it looks like we never left Minsk. But otherwise, it looks like a bit of a babushatnik.
Yes, babushatnik with maybe shanto.
Maybe like Polish babushatnik. Like this version of babcha is Polish babcha, not Belarusian babcha. Not even the babcha from Borisov.
She even has a table from IKEA. One table, but
yeah,
another one is from 1930.
a very modern babushatnik. You know. Yeah, but still the experience that we get here, you know, look at this tunnel, for example. We just left the apartment and we see this tunnel, the same kind of tunnel that we could see in Borisov, in Minsk.
No, such tunnels in Borisov. Borisov is more modern.
Okay, a bit of complaining from Belarusians. But yeah, it was a nice tour, so just give this video a big thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment if you want to see more realtor content on this channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.